Alright guys, welcome back to the channel, and if you are new, my name is Wesley. I'm 19. I came from being evicted 14 times with my family to making over $200,000 in profit last month. And I want to talk about two things today that a lot of people would never put in the same video. Number one is manifestation, and how I actually make my money is number two. Because I think that the combination is the most powerful thing that I can share with anyone. Because, I mean, you'll see if you stay till the end. So let me start with manifestation. Most people approach manifestation like it's a wish system. You write down what you want, you visualize it, you stay positive, you get affirmations, and you wait for it to arrive. And when it doesn't arrive, they conclude that the whole thing is fake. But the reason it didn't work isn't because manifestation itself is fake. It's because they fundamentally don't understand what manifestation actually is. So first of all, manifestation is not about attracting things. It's about becoming the person for whom those things are a natural result for. Read that again, okay? It's not about attracting things, it's about becoming the person for whom things are a natural result for. So what that means is, because the version of you that has the life that you want, the money, the freedom, the car, whatever it is, love even, right? Whatever it is for you, that version of you doesn't think the same way that you think right now. They don't make decisions the same way. They don't respond to the setbacks the same way. They have a completely different relationship with money, with risk, and with themselves. And the work of manifestation is closing that gap, becoming the version of yourself on the inside before the outside can catch up. Neville Goddard called this living in the end. The law of assumption says that whatever you are persistently assuming to be true about yourself and your life is what your outer world will organize everything else around. So if you're assuming struggle, if deep down in your subconscious the story running on loop is that money is hard and success is for other people and you're always going to be fighting for it, your reality is always going to keep confirming that exact story no matter what you do on the outside. I know this because I lived it. I mean, growing up the way I did, with the instability and the evictions and everything that my family went through, my subconscious had 16 years of evidence that this is just how life was for me, and I kept attracting more evidence of it every single day without even realizing that I was the one that was generating it. So the moment I changed the assumption, the moment I genuinely decided at my core that I was someone who figures things out, who builds things, everything downstream of that changed immediately, in my bank account, in my decisions, in my energy, in the risks I was willing to take, in the way I showed up every single day, and the bank account followed. So here is the practical side, because I never want to just tell you what to do without telling you how to do it. Every night before I fall asleep, I run a very specific scene in my imagination. One scene, but very specific, all right? Details, feelings, me living the reality that I'm building toward from the inside of it, feeling completely that it's normal, not excitement, but normal. Like, this is just my life now. And I do this until the line between the visualization and a memory starts to blur, until my nervous system treats it as familiar instead of an imagination, right? The practice alone rewired my baseline assumption faster than anything else I'd ever done. And another thing I do was script every single day. So writing your identity in the present tense, first person, 18 times across 3 sessions. Who I am, what flows to me, what kind of person I am, in business and life and everything, and 18 repetitions a day of the new story until the new story becomes a default. It's not the new story anymore. And I practice gratitude every night, not rushing through a list, but actually sitting with things and feeling them, because gratitude puts you in a state of having, and having is a frequency that attracts more having. So these 3 practices, SATs, whatever, SATs, whatever you want to call it, scripting, gratitude, done consistently every single day, will shift your assumption at a level deep enough that your outer world will literally have no choice but to recognize it as a memory and reorganize its life around it. And let me tell you what this looks like for me practically, because this is the part of the video that I think is going to surprise a lot of you. The way I make my money is dropshipping. And before you click off thinking that you've heard this before, stay with me for just 2 minutes, 120 seconds, because I want to explain it in a way that actually makes sense and probably that you haven't heard before. All right, so first of all, dropshipping is an e-commerce business model where pretty much you sell products online without ever holding inventory. You set up a store, you market products for that store, and when someone buys, your supply will ship directly to the customer. You never touch the product, you never rent a warehouse, you never buy stock and have upfront cost or whatever and hope it sells, right? You're not out any money. It's super easy. And what you do is find products that people want, you build a store around them, and run ads to drive traffic and collect the margin between what the customer pays and what your supplier charges you. That's the whole model. It sounds simple because it is simple. The execution takes work and skill, but the concept is genuinely accessible to anyone. So I started 9 months ago with literally almost nothing, like $500 total, right? No connections, no wealthy parents, no business experience, just a really bad laptop at the time and the assumption that I was going to figure this out. Last month, I did over $200,000 in profit, and I own this midnight purple McLaren 570S with this crazy ass exhaust that shoots 5-foot flames. I'll put a picture there if you want. But I'm 19 years old, and here's the thing I want you to actually sit with, right? The reason I was able to build this as fast as I did is not because I found some sort of secret product or had unfair advantage. It's because I brought the right internal state to it from the beginning. You know, I was operating from the assumption of success while I was still building the evidence of it. Right? I made decisions from certainty instead of fear. You know, I held winning products longer and cut losing ones faster because I was thinking clearly instead of emotionally, like scared to lose my money. You know, every principle of manifestation I've ever talked about in this video was being applied directly to how I ran the business every single day. And the mindset and the business model are not separate things for me. The mindset is why the business model worked, and the business model is a vehicle that the mindset built. And I believe that any person watching this right now who's willing to do the inner work and learn about the business model can build something real, like completely like I did, right? The barrier to entry for dropshipping is lower than literally any other business that can generate this kind of income. You don't need a degree, you don't need capital, you don't need connections. You need a laptop, an internet connection, and the willingness to learn. The eternal state to keep going on when it's hard. And that's literally it. I mean, I teach everything I know about dropshipping completely for free because when I was starting out, I had no one to teach me. And I know how much harder it is, or how much harder that made it to sell anything for me. I will never sell a course. Everything is free. I don't like selling courses. It's not going to happen. You cannot. People have been DMing me asking for courses. I won't sell them. But anyways, if you guys want to check that out, link is in the description. It's completely free. It's just a Discord server. I have free videos in there. I answer people's questions and stuff. And it's just a step-by-step tutorial on how to start dropshipping, starting with mindset. But there's actual practical things in there too. But anyways, as always, red means go. I make one of these videos every single day. Well, it's about mindset, manifestation, e-com, or cars, but the car channel is on a separate channel. So if you guys want to check that out, link is in the description. If not, I will see you guys tomorrow because again, I make one of these videos every single day, and peace out.